Hi, welcome to Jurasoft VCS tutorials. In this video, I will give you an overview of Dynamic Routing module. Jurasoft Billing is able to provide so-called dynamic routing features, also often called external routing. Depending on your switch manufacturer, VCS provides these functions over Radius protocol or SIP redirect server. To find out more about possible options for your switch manufacturers, please look through VCS integration manual or contact Jurasoft support. Generally, the dynamic routing work is based on three principles: routing plans, routing policies, and routing table generation. So there are a few easy milestones how to set it working. Step 1. You need to create so-called routing plan with rules that describe your routing preferences and other criteria. Step 2. You need to choose desired policy for your rules, a special formula to decide which routes should get a top priority. For example, this way you decide whether you want to do LCR or quality routing. Step 3. Assign created routing plan to your origination customer. Then you need to wait until the routing table is created. In this video, I will give you a brief overview of how routing plan is created, configured, and assigned to a customer. So let's start it. To create a new routing plan, click the New Routing Plan button and fill out the following fields in the pop-up window. Here you need to specify a name of a plan, define a reseller, codec, and origination or termination limits if required. Also, here you may find an option routing loop protection, which excludes origination client from the list of terminators. If it's disabled, it will be possible to route calls between different accounts of the same client. To find more about section rules processing, I recommend you to read our article on the documentation portal. The next step you need to do is fill in created routing plan with routing rules. To do that, click on the routing plan's name and click the Add Rule button. Here you may set a priority of rules, specify code or code name, type, and policy of routing. Define profit margins, set extra parameters. Pay attention that here you may check tips which help you to set each field. Please note that after all data is entered and rules are created, you need to go to Management Client section and assign this routing plan to one or more of your origination clients. I hope this tutorial was informative for you.